Hello everyone, this is Chandrakant welcoming to all of you my YouTube channel, Dear Learners. Dear learners, previously we have discussed regarding the particular volume of the cubes. So now we have to discuss regarding the particular surface area of the cubes. So simply we have to just study it in the two distinct phases. That is the total. We have to say that is total surface area and lateral surface area. So let's go for it. Let's go for the structure now. So this is the cube structure. So simply whenever we have to go for the calculating the total surface area, simply you have to see whatever the surfaces it has. How many surfaces it has? Six surfaces. Yes or no? So as it has the six faces or the six surfaces here, so on that basis we have to go for the calculating the areas of these six surfaces. Okay, so as you know that all the particular surfaces, all the particular faces that shows the particular what structure of the square, so each and every cases we have to put the what formula of the square, that is to calculate the area, whatever the particular formula of the square, so we have to input that. So simply if you have to just go for the total surface area, that means we have to count the upper one, lower one, that is top and bottom, and the four distinct what side areas of it. So simply if you have to go for that is the area of all these particular sides, you can get uh, four distinct sides are there, so 4 into side square, 4 into side square, that is only the sidewise. And whenever we have to include the top and bottom, so we are getting here 2 into whatever that side square. Okay, so here in the lateral, in the case of the lateral side, that means the particular sidewise we have to get the four distinct areas here, that means four distinct sidewise areas, so you have to just go for the 4 into side square. And after that, if you have to go for the total surface means we have to also include the upper one and lower one. So on that cases we are getting here 2 into side square. So whatever the total surface area, total surface area is equal to how much? That is, so we have to just go for the 4 side square plus 2 side square, that is top and bottom. So total how much we are getting now? Yes, that is 6 side square. Okay, so we are getting here the formula 6 into side square. And if you have to go for the unit, then we have to write unit square, or we can write the square unit also, SQ square unit. Okay, so just like that, whenever we have to go for the lateral surface area, in the lateral surface area we have to just focus the sidewise manner. So whatever the general sidewise thing, okay. So let's draw the picture again. Okay, so four distinct figures are there, so on that basis we have to just position sideways areas we have to calculate. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to just what cancel the first one, and that means the top one and bottom one. So here, as all the areas, it will be what equal. So on that cases, what is the area of the surface? That is side into side or side square. So just like that, we have to get the what in four distinct sides, sidewise areas, we have to take the sum of it. So here, instead of what make the addition of that, so we have to multiply the 4 with this side square. So this one is the, we have to say this one is the what lateral surface area, lateral surface area. So on that basis, let's go for the particular certain problems for your better understanding. So before we have to go for the particular solving this practicing question, one thing it should be there, that is diagonal of the cube. So how to calculate the diagonal of the cube? What is the formula we have to follow? So to calculate the diagonal of the cube, we have to follow the formula root 3 into side. You can follow the formula, that is root 3 into side, and for the unit, whatever it should be given, it should be, you have to just write. If it is in centimeter, you have to write centimeter. If it is in the particular meter, you have to just write the write it in meter. Okay, let's go for the particular first question. Find the volume, total surface area, lateral surface area, length of the diagonal of a cube, each of whose is measure 20 centimeter. So what is the meaning of that? Simply here what happen, if you have to go for the cubical structure, in the case of the cubical structure, already the each side of the particular cube it should be given. If you just look at this particular picture, you can see the particular if the particular sides or the edges of this particular cube it should be given, that is 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter means each edges that for that much length we have to we can say that the particular each edge it should be what carried out 20 centimeter here. So to calculate the volume, volumes, so what is the formula we have to follow? Area of base into height. Yes, area of base into height. So what is the area of the base? Area of the base, what is the area of base here? So the lower one is the base. So area, we have to get the area of what, 20 into 20, that is directly, or we can directly write here side cube or edge cube. Okay, so we are getting 20 cube of 20. So what is the results we are getting here? 20 cube, that is, and for the centimeter we just write centimeter cube. Okay, to calculate the total surface area, TSA, we have to put the formula 6 into, what is the formula here? Side square, because 6 faces, side square. So we are getting here 6 into, so what is the particular for side here? That is 20. Side is given what? 20 centimeter. So that is 20 centimeter square of 20. So what is the results we are getting? 6 into 400. So after multiplication we are getting 0 centimeter square, that is total surface area. Next is the lateral surface area. So to calculate the lateral surface area, we have to put the formula here, 4 into side square. And what is the form, that is results we are getting? Side square, that is 20 square. Already we have to just find out the results here, that is what, 400. So 400 into 4, that is 1600 centimeter square. Okay, so that is the lateral surface area. So after calculating the lateral surface area, the last one is the length of the diagonal of the cube. So already I told you that the formula for calculating the diagonal of a cube is we have to put the formula root 3 into side. So what is the side here? 20. So we are getting the results 20 root 3 centimeter. What is that? 20 root 3 centimeter. That is the diagonal of the foot. That is the cube. Okay. Okay, let's go for the next question. The lateral surface area of a cube is given 324 centimeter square. What it should be given? Lateral surface. So what is the formula here? 4 into side square. According to question, 4 into side square, that is how much it is? 324. Okay, that's the lateral surface. So simply, the question is given the lateral surface area of a cube is 324 centimeters square. So you have to find out the volume and total surface area. So to calculate the volume and total surface area, we need the particular side because we don't know the side. So here to calculate the values of the particular side, we have to directly put the formula of the lateral surface area, that is 4 into side square. So here 4, that means we have to now, by the transposing method, side square. So what is the value we are getting here after we're getting how much? That is 81. Okay, let's go for the square root of that. So side is equal to square root of what? 81. So we're getting the value 9. Square root of 81 is what? 9. So each side, that what? The length of each side is 9 now. So after getting the side, we have to what? General method, we have to just put the what? Formula of the volume, that area of the base into height, or you have to just directly for the cube volume, we directly put the formula, that is side cube. Side cube. So we are getting here 9 cube, that is 729 centimeter cube. Okay, that is the volume. So after that, the total surface area, to calculate the total surface area, in this case I'm directly just adjusting here the answer here. So we can write 6 into, because 6 faces, and whatever the particular faces, it has the equal areas. So I can write here 6 into 9 square for the total surface area. I have to put the formula 6 into side square. So after putting the particular 6 into side square, I can write here 6 into 81. We are getting the value 486 centimeter square. That is the total surface area of this particular foot. That means given cube. Okay. Okay. In this two question, the question is given here. The total surface area of a cube is 1176 centimeters square. Find its volume. So if the total surface area of the cube is given, that is 1176 centimeters square, so you know the particular formula of the total surface area. So what is the formula? That is 6 side square, 6 into side square, or S square, is equal to 1176. So what is the side here? So side square is equal to 1176 by 6. So 196. So let's go for the side, is equal to, that we are getting here 196 square root, that is 14. 14 square root, that is 196. So that is centimeter. So to calculate the volume, so what is the formula here we have to put? That is cube of the side, that is 14, that you are getting the value 14 cube, that is 2744 centimeter cube. Okay. Next question, the question is given the three cubes. First we have to just go for drawing of the three cubes. One, two, and three cubes. So by taking these three cubes, the question is given that the particular three cubes, first metal edge is first 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and second one that is 4 centimeter, and another one is the 5 centimeter. So here the question is asking that find the lateral surface area of the new cube formed. That means here the particular three metal cubes are given, and by taking these three we have to just prepare. That means we have just melted all these three and we have to prepare one single cube. So to solve this question, we have to listen after the melting the particular word, that is the first cube, second cube, and third cube. We are getting a word biggest cube. That means we have to prepare a biggest cube. So on that particular biggest cube, we have to calculate the particular lateral surface area. Okay. So here, as the age is given, we don't know what is the particular word, that is volume of the cube. Okay, so we have to first calculate the volume of the first one. So what is the volume of the first one? That is 3 cube. So that is 7 to 9. Okay, next one we have to go. Sorry. That is not 7 to 9. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are, I'm just going for the cube of 9. Okay, so that is 27. We're getting the value 27. I mistakenly have to put it the 9 cube. Okay, 4 cube, that is 64, and 5 cube, that is 125. Okay, so here what is the total volume? That is 64 plus 27 plus 125. So by adding this 3, we are getting a biggest volume. So after adding that, we are getting 216 centimeter cube. 216 centimeter cube. So here, if the volume of the big cube is what, 200 centimeter cube, then what is the lateral surface area? First we have to go for the formula. By that means the total volume is this one. So what is the volume formula? Suppose the edge or the side of the biggest cube is L. You have to just take the assumption here. So let we are getting the volume here, that is 216 centimeter cube. The biggest one after for melting, we are getting this one. So the volume is 216 centimeter. Let the particular side or the edge is L. Okay, so whenever you have to go for the particular lateral surface area, that means before we have to go for it, first we have to focus for calculating the volume of it. So that means after that we are getting the L. So here what happened? What is the formula of the volume? That is L cube. We can put here L cube because side cube. The formula is side cube. So L cube is equal to 216. So we have to take the cube root of 216. So we are getting the value 6. The result is 6 here. So simply whatever the results we are getting, 6, we are taking the particular word, that result for the calculation of the lateral surface area. So what is the formula of the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area in the case of the cube, that 4 into side square. So we are taking the word side as the L, so L square. So 4 into 6 square, that is 36. So we are getting the value here 144 centimeter square. I hope all of you understood clearly this one. In next phase we have studied the particular that is cuboid, then cylinder, then cone. All these things we are studying in the next class. Take care.